Hey, today I'll show you how Father Sniper works, a smart crypto trading bot that saves your team in money. Let's dive in. First, go to the network selection section. Here, you can choose which blockchain networks you want to work with. You can select multiple networks at the same time, super convenient. Next up, connect wallet. This button lets you connect your existing wallets in just a click. Don't they have a wallet? No problem. Just click generate wallet, and the bot will create one for you instantly. All connected and generated wallets show up in the My Wallet section, including each wallet's balance and the total balance. And if you click on any wallet, you will see its secret key. Full control is in your hands. Now let us talk about the real magic by settings. Anti-scam. This feature protects you from black pulls, blacklist tricks, high-tax traps, hidden mints, and more. The bot scans meme-wall transactions and will try to sell before a malicious action goes through. Auto-buy. Just turn it on and the bot will auto-buy based on the settings you define below. Anti-MEV. If enabled, the bot routes your snipes through to realize. This helps avoid MEV. Sandwich bot. Although it might be a bit slower since only 50% of validators support it. Now let us set up your auto-buy filters. Min Ministério das Comunicações, Max Ministério das Comunicações, Minimum and Maximum Market Cap allowed for tokens to be bought. Min Max Liquidity, same but for liquidity. Max Buy Temperatura Axilar, Max Sell Temperatura Axilar, caps on tax to avoid scammy tokens. Gas price, your preferred gas fee in dollars. Higher gas means faster transactions but higher fees. Now the sell settings. Confirm sell adds an extra confirmation before you hit sell all. Great protection from mistakes. Auto sell enables automatic selling based on your rules below. Take profit. Tell the bot what profit to sell at. Example: 50%. Stop loss. Tell it when to sell at a loss. Example: menos 30%. Be sure to use a minus sign. Trailing stop loss. This is an advanced stop loss feature. It follows your gains and raises the stop losses the token value increases. Perfect for locking in profits during upward trends. You can also set TP sell, how much to sell at take profit. SL sell, how much to sell at stop loss. Choose what works best for your strategy. In general settings, you can enable notifications so the bot alerts you for every trade. You can also choose your preferred IPP language here. When you are ready, just hit start and Father Sniper will go to work. And if you want to sell everything instantly, click sell all, simple and fast. All your trading activity will be logged in the console in real-time, total transparency. Want to try Father Sniper for free? You can test it for 24 hours via our official Telegram bot or GoPro and get a monthly license for $799 and trade like a sniper, not a sleeper.